Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the updated process of how to pin a group in WhatsApp. This is a fantastic way to keep your favorite or most important groups easily accessible, saving you time and keeping you connected. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your WhatsApp app. Just tap on the icon on your phone's home screen or app drawer to get started. Once WhatsApp is open, find the group you want to pin. Scroll through your chats until you locate the group conversation you're looking for. It could be your family group, a group for work, or a social club. Whichever group you want to keep at the top of your chat list. Now, here comes the simple part. Long press on the group. This means you tap and hold your finger on the group chat for a couple of seconds. After a short press, some options will appear at the top of your screen. Look for the pin icon at the top. It looks like a push pin. Simply tap on it. Once you tap the pin icon, you'll see the group jump to the top of your chat list, and it will stay there even as new messages come in from other chats. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a group on WhatsApp. This ensures that the group remains at the top of your chat list, so you won't have to scroll through numerous conversations to find it. This feature is super handy for staying organized and on top of your most important conversations. Whether it's coordinating plans with friends, keeping up with work projects, or anything else, pinning groups makes it easier than ever to stay connected. You can pin up to 3 messages to the top of a chat. I hope you found this updated guide helpful. Now you can keep your important groups just a tap away.